Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a Google account for your child under 13 years. Install the Family Link app on your phone and sign in with your own Google account. Follow prompts to link the child account to your device and confirm parental consent. Enable supervision to manage basic settings and approve key permissions. Review content filters, location sharing, and basic account info. Keep your device secure with a strong password and two-step verification to protect supervision controls. Open the Family Link app and tap Screen Time to manage daily limits easily. Set a daily limit, such as 2 hours, and customize limits per app, like 30 minutes for games. Schedule a device bedtime to automatically lock during sleep hours every night. Use the remote lock feature to pause the device immediately when needed for family time or homework. Review weekly activity reports to see usage trends and adjust limits based on healthy routines and school needs. Use the apps and content controls to require approval for app downloads and Google Play purchases. Set purchase approval to prevent unexpected charges and review requested apps before allowing installation. Block or allow specific apps and set individual time limits for social or game apps. Turn on location sharing to view the child device location when necessary for safety. Regularly check recent activity and app permissions to ensure appropriate content.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.